Hi viewers, welcome to Spark and Crack IAS. Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about the Unit 2 Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes from the Geography book Class 6 from NCERT. Earth is not a sphere. In previous chapter we read that our planet Earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and south poles and bulge in the middle. Equator, an imaginary line running on the globe, divides it into two equal parts. This imaginary line is called equator. It is an imaginary circular line which is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. Northern and Southern Hemisphere. The equator divides the globe into two equal parts. The northern half of the globe is called Northern Hemisphere. The southern half of the globe is called Southern Hemisphere. Latitudes. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. The distance from the equator to either of the poles is 1/4 of the circle round the earth. 90-degree north latitude marks the North Pole. 90-degree south latitude marks the South Pole. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes. All parallels south of the equator are called south latitudes. Each latitude is followed by the word north or south and it is indicated by the letter N or S. For example, Chandrapur in Maharashtra, 20-degree north latitude. Horizont, 20 degrees south latitude. Important parallels of latitudes. There are four important parallels of latitudes. They are Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north in Northern Hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south in Southern Hemisphere. Arctic Circle, 63.5 degree north of the equator. Antarctic Circle, 63.5 degrees south of the equator. Heat zones of the earth. There are three heat zones in the earth. They are torrid zones, temperate zones, frigid zones. Torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area receives the maximum heat. This is called torrid zone. Temperate zones. The midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. The areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in Northern Hemisphere and the areas bounded by the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in Southern Hemisphere have moderate temperatures. These areas are called temperate zones. Frigid zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the Northern Hemisphere and the areas lying between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the Southern Hemisphere are not receiving much sun rays. The sun rays are always slanting in these areas. So these areas are very cold and they are called as frigid zones. Longitudes. Longitudes are lines of references. They are running from North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are called meridians of longitude. These distance between them are measured in degrees of longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes divided into seconds. All the meridians meet in poles. They are semicircle lines. All meridians are of equal in length. The count begins from the meridian which passed through the Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory located. This meridian is called prime meridian. Its value is 0-degree longitude. From this longitude we count 180 degree eastward and 180 degree westward. This prime meridian divides Earth into two equal halves. They are Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. And the 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. Longitude and time. The prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky. Earth rotates from the west to east. Places in the east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time. The places in the west of Greenwich will be behind of Greenwich time. Time calculation. The earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. So 5 degree is an hour. 1 degree is 4 minutes. When it is 12 noon in Greenwich, 15 degree east of the Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. It means there 1 p.m. When it is 12 noon in Greenwich, 50 degree west of the Greenwich will be 50 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour behind of Greenwich time. It means there 11 a.m. When it is 12 noon in Greenwich, in 180 degree it will be midnight. Standard time. The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, in India, there will be a difference about 1 hour and 45 minutes in local time of Dwaraka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. So it is necessary to adapt the local time for some central meridian of a country as a standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east, 82 degree 30 minutes east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time IST. India located east of Greenwich 82 degree 30 minutes east, that is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead GMT. To know, in Russia there is 11 standard times followed. The value of prime meridian is 0 degree. The frigid zones lies near the poles. The Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. Grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degrees south. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minutes east or 82.5 degree east. The 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian. The distance between longitudes decreases towards pole. The size of the parallels of latitudes decreases towards poles from the equator. Hi viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe please.